Hello friends, this video is my continuation of my previous video about Angular 2 unit testing step by step with real world example. Please see that video before proceeding with this video. I have given the link of my previous videos in description section. Also I am going to use my test project which I have created in my previous videos. So let us jump into the project straightly. This is my Angular project. So here I have created a login module. So in the login module it has CSS class, HTML file, spec.ts for testing for test case writing, and login component.ts for code behind. So first we have to create the UI for the login component.html. So let us now begin the coding. First you have to include form form group form group is equal to my login form, and it has two controls. So first one is username, and here you have to create the input type equal to text, and here form control name you have to use. So since it is a reactive forms module, you have to use the form control name. So form control name is same username. You can give the same username, and name as username. So next control you have to put a break and create another control for password, and now you have to create another control for password equal to type equal to password, and form control name is equal to password, and name is also a password. And so next line you have to include a button, login button. So the type is equal to submit, and for a click function you have to call on login button click, and you have to pass my login form here, and button name is login. That's all. So next you have to write the code behind for this login component. So here you have to use you have to declare the control names here. First, my login form is one of the control form group, and another is username is another control that is of string type, and password is also of string type. So import form group here. So here I am using the reactive forms module, so you have to import this reactive forms module Angular/forms, and after that you have to go to the you have to create a service, login service for creating a function that is whether he is a valid user or not. So let us go to the command prompt. And here you have to pause this directory unit testing, example 1. And create a service first by using ngg service login service. Okay, I think I have already created this component here, so you can directly check here, so no need to create a service again. And here I have to create one function check valid user. So by passing username and password, if username equal to usmtechworld at gmail.com and password equal to test, then return login status equal true, otherwise return false. So you have to call this service in the component code behind. So for that you have to use a dependency injection at inject of login service public obj login service colon login service. So that will use this login service, that will create the object login service. So next you have to import inject also here. Okay, so now create a function. What name you have given on login button click, the same function you can create here. Here you have to pass this my login form. If obj login service dot check valid user, and you have to pass this username and password, this dot password. If it is true, then this dot message equal to login success, else this dot message equal to login failure. So it is just a UI test, it is not actually the test case that I am writing, just to see how it will look in the UI. So message also you have to declare here. So on login button it will call this one. So now you have to go to the login spec, that is login component.spec.ts, and create writing the test cases. So first you have to import test bed. This is a class for creating the dummy module from at angular/core/testing. Next you import the reactive forms module from at angular/forms. So now describe. Now you have to write the test case name. What is the test case name? For example, the following are the test cases to be checked, and that is my title. So now I am giving the fat arrow for writing the other functions. First function is before each. So inside that I write a function called testbed dot configure testing module. First I have to create the testing module. So in the testing module, just declaration is alone is enough.